You heard it right. I don't know what rank you're gonna get, but I do know if you're gonna get admission in SRM or not. Hello and welcome back to yet another video. I don't know why today I'm just so excited. वेलकम जब वो बंदा आ जाए मेरी YouTube वीडियो में yeah, so today I'm going to talk about the ranks and the admission process. Okay, now on my channel there will be like 3 or 4 videos of admission in SRM, and this is the last video I'm making. Okay, this is the last video, and please stop asking me that, like, you are giving me your rank and telling if you can get this specific branch. Like, I have like a will I get here? This rank like 56,000 will I get here? 56,78950 will I get here? Okay, so the answer is I do not know. Yes, you heard it right. I don't know what rank you're gonna get, but I do know if you're gonna get admission in SRM or not. How do I know? Because I am a student of SRM, first thing. Second, my cousin is in SRM and he did not have a great rank, but still he got his desired branch. So now this is something, I don't know, I think most of people don't know about this. This is something that is called management quota. Okay, so for admission, in my very last video, I think you would have seen that I said if you there is another way of getting admission as well. If you don't know, just text me on Insta, and I got like so many messages on Insta, so I think I should just make a video about it. So yeah, okay, management quota. What happens in management quota is that so you must give SRM JEE. Okay, SRM JEE is an important exam you have to give to get into SRM, because you have given an exam, and then you should have good marks in your 12th and 10th and 12th, and after that you get connected with a counseling person from SRM, and then they help you out to get admission in SRM. And I don't really know the back end of this process, what happens, but why I know about it, because my cousin got into the college using management quota. It was before, I don't know the back end, I don't really know how it works, like not the 100% fully how it works, but I can tell you how exactly to get it. Now this takes money. Okay, I have to be totally honest with you. You have to, like, they take some money for getting admission. It sounds very like we are doing something wrong, but it is not something wrong we are doing. It's that when you are getting admission, you have to go through some process and all. Get what I am saying? Okay, so this is something I think I didn't tell in the last video. So the way to get into SRM is that you need to have good marks in JEE exam, or you need to have a good rank in SRM JEE exam, and you should have a 10th or 12th mark sheet with a good percentage at least. Okay, so these are the things you need to know to get into SRM. Is that clear? And about the ranks and the branches, so I don't really know. Okay, why I can't say? Because see, the seats changes because of how many students are being like how many students are actually getting into the college. And suppose now suppose if SRM is my college, okay, if I am the owner of the college and I have given, like, suppose 2,000 seats for CSC, 1,000 seats for EC, 500 seats for biotechnology, suppose something like that. Now the seats, like, suppose someone got 56,000 rank, I'm just taking example, and they want to get CSC rank, but then CSE is till 50,000 suppose. So now those 2,000 students will get into here. Now that 56,000 that will come to EC or biotechnology. So now the student who has 56,000 rank, that person will be like will have option of these two only. They won't have the option of CSE because CSE is already full. Okay, but if CSE is not full yet, suppose if CSE has like less people over there, so the 56,000 rank, whoever is that person, they also might see the option of CSE. Okay, so it works like that. I can't really tell you if you will get that specific branch with that specific rank or not, because it depends on how many students are already enrolled. Now it's also kind of like first come first serve. So suppose some person already enrolled, now you might not get a chance. So this is what happens, and yeah, that's it. I hope I cleared your doubts. If you have any other doubt, you can comment down or you can text me on Insta. I mostly respond on Insta and comments as well. You can check all my comments. I do reply there. So I do. And one more important thing about my channel is that I post random videos and I post about like how to grow in life and all those, like basically my life over there. So if you are interested, subscribe and help me please. You know, I saw this meme that I should post like this on my LinkedIn so that people will give me job. I have a job. Okay, that's it for this video. Alright, I hope you liked it. Bye bye.